shrimp and broccoli with garlic sauce. If you love Chinese food, you will love this dish. I love Chinese food. And on my video, I'm calling it broccoli and shrimp with garlic sauce, but it's really shrimp and broccoli with garlic, with garlic flour, with garlic sauce. So let me get started, all right? I didn't have to tell you, this is keto. I'm still on the keto diet, but you will see other traditional recipes done on my show when I have family coming over, that kind of thing. I'll be cooking some of the old classic, Southern classic recipes as well, and some other ones. So let me get started. Today I'm gonna make some Chinese broccoli and shrimp stir fry with garlic sauce. So let me get started. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 container of bone broth soup to this pan here. Let me go ahead and do that. This is to cook the broccoli in. Adding the broccoli to the pan here. If you don't have the bone broth, you can just add water and a little salt. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this with some parchment paper. Okay, I did find a lid to put on the top of the pan, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover it with my lid and let it cook until the broccoli is really green. Okay, all right, I'm letting it cook. I cooked the broccoli for about 3 minutes in the chicken stock. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna drain the chicken stock off and put it in a bowl so that I can use it when I make the garlic sauce. I added the broccoli to some ice, water and ice so that it'll stop the cooking process. So now I'm gonna move on to the next step. I have 19 out of 23 shrimp, and this is 12 ounces of shrimp. Is a serving for 3 people. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and remove the tails on the shrimp. These are already deveined, shell and tail on, so I'm gonna remove the tail off the shrimp. And then I'm gonna add I'm gonna wash them, and then I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of salt to the shrimp and let them sit for about 15 minutes. Just pull the tail like that on the side. After I remove all the tails, I'm gonna go ahead and wash the shrimp and then add the salt. Oh, and it also has a shell on it. Let me just go ahead and remove the tails and the shell from the shrimp. And also some green onions. I'm gonna chop those up. As for my garlic sauce, I'm gonna add 4 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and chop that up finely. In my pan. I have the pan on high right now. I'm gonna heat the oil and I'm gonna add the shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and add the shrimp in the pan. I have a little bit of garlic and salt. I added to the shrimp about 15 minutes ago. watching me for a while, you know this is a keto dish. It's a Chinese shrimp and broccoli stir fry with garlic sauce. Now the garlic sauce that I'm making, you can use it with a lot of different recipes, like for vegetables, like eggplants, vegetables. Now you see how fast the shrimp is cooking? It's turning pink already, but you want it to be pink on both sides. Let it cook a little bit more. Shrimp is cooking. I chopped up the onions, green onions, and garlic. I'm adding it to this bowl. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Coconut Amino Soy Sauce seasoning. That's about 1 tablespoon. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Okay. Piece of ginger. I'm going to go ahead and take the skin out, remove the skin, and chop it up. I'm adding the ginger to the garlic sauce. I'm adding a pinch of sugar, just a pinch of sugar. To keep it keto, I'm adding like a tablespoon of Psyllium husk flour. It looks like garlic powder, but it's not. It's Psyllium husk flour. Psyllium husk flour. Okay, the broth that I cooked the broccoli in, I'm going to add it to my sauce here. This is my garlic sauce. Mix that up well. Okay, smells good. I love Chinese food. On my YouTube channel, I have a keto fried rice out on my YouTube channel, and it is delicious. Now, this is optional. I'm adding some pepper flakes to my shrimp, like it kind of spicy. And notice the shrimp are completely done. Okay, and I'm going to add in my broccoli. I added in my broccoli. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my my garlic sauce. It smells so good in here. I know that garlic has carbs, but what I try to do is just get the flavor out of the garlic. I don't usually eat the garlic pieces, not all of them anyway. So it'll be all right, I tell you. If you haven't made my keto fried rice, go out there and look for it that you buy from an Asian restaurant or Chinese restaurant, whichever one you want to call it. It is so good. So good. This is a very healthy dish, whether you're on keto or not. I mean, it is really, really good with all the broccoli and all the seasoning in it. I'm gonna add some black pepper to it. I added a teaspoon of vinegar. Covered the pan for a few minutes. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share, and comment on the video.